Hey, John Crestani here. There's a ton of money to be made during the Christmas season by selling products online. Hundreds of billions of dollars are changing hands in this upcoming Christmas season, and you can make some of that money using a business model called affiliate marketing, which allows you to earn commissions from products that you recommend to other people online. I've earned over $21 million using this business model, and what I'm going to walk you through is the top 7 products you should be selling online, recommending on your website, recommending on social media, etc., and also how much you will earn by recommending these different product categories, and where to find links and where to sign up for affiliate programs that will pay you commissions this holiday season 2021 so you can make money online. Let's get into it. Fitness trackers and fitness watches are really high in demand right now, and generally speaking, anything in the electronics category that is trending is a really good idea for a product that you could be selling online. Now, fitness trackers, I'm looking at the affiliate network Affiliati, which is a CPA affiliate network, meaning it will pay you not a rev share, it will pay you straight up $40 anytime you get a customer to purchase a fitness watch, okay? As I said, people are looking to get in health. People are coming out of a pandemic having put on about, I think it's an average of 10 pounds that folks have put on during the last year and a half. And fitness watches, again, they're just a new sort of thing. They're trending. People don't care about their personal information anymore, generally speaking. I mean, everybody has smartphones with all these things enabled to track their data. Fitness watches are just a great extension of getting more data and being able to tell you about your health. So you can make a lot of money by getting people to buy fitness watches. Great category. And if you're doing e-commerce or Amazon FBA, Shopify drop shipping, this is also another fantastic product category that you could do yourself. If you're looking to get started selling this stuff, I suggest you start it now. Now, what's even better about this product on Affiliati is that the actual cost to the consumer is only about $7, meaning the customer only has to spend 7 of their own dollars for you to earn a $40 commission. Now, Affiliati is by approval only, and it's really only relegated to experienced affiliates, but you can also go on other affiliate networks and sign up and get many great offers. One of the affiliate networks I really recommend, and I work with a ton, and I've actually have my own affiliate program on there where I've paid out millions of dollars to our affiliates, is clickbank.com. My affiliate program, the Super Affiliate System, is the second highest paying program on ClickBank right now, and you can earn a lot of money by joining that affiliate network. The second trending category for Christmas is security cameras, and you can earn $38 on Affiliati by recommending security cameras to folks. Now, a really popular type of camera that many people are adopting is dash cameras, which are cameras that you put on the front of your car or your motorcycle in order to make sure that both, in the case of an accident or in the case of being wrongly pulled over by police or other authorities, that you have evidence to back up what just happened to you. These are really popular, and a lot of folks, with the whole pandemic, everyone is scared of everyone else. So being able to have a camera on people that might be loitering around your car or your apartment or your house is very high in demand. People are just worried. So that's a great product, very easy sell to people. There's a great fear angles you can really use to hype this product up. The third top product category that is trending right now is CBD. CBD is anti-stress, anti-anxiety type of medication, and it's derived from marijuana, but it doesn't have any THC in it, which is what people get high off of and makes you a little bit loopy and in the stars. CBD does not do that. It just relaxes the body. And people are buying this stuff like hotcakes now that it's legal, and you can earn a cool $51 every time you get somebody to purchase this product. Now, what's also fantastic about this offer is that the consumer doesn't need to put much money down. This is a free trial product, meaning the consumer only has to pay for shipping, and you will earn the full $51 just when a consumer signs up for a free trial. I think $6 for shipping, and you earn $51. Selling like hotcakes, very easy to get $6 out of a person for a product that really helps their body, so you can earn those fat commissions. You sell a couple of these a day using whatever free traffic methods you have, whatever free traffic methods you are utilizing, and you can make a lot of money and a nice income. If you aren't aware of my free traffic videos, make sure to go to my channel homepage or click one of the cards up above, and you will find I have free traffic method videos showing you how you can post affiliate links on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Google, YouTube, and all of the other social networks so that you can get people buying from you. Isn't very hard. The methods are pretty obvious, but I show you exactly step by step how to get your affiliate links out there so you can get people buying. The fourth trending product category has been around for a little while, yet it's still very popular, and that is phone chargers. Okay? Portable phone chargers. In this case, this is a solar powered portable phone charger, and again, the consumer has a greatly reduced price that they have to pay, and you earn $36 by getting folks to pay for a solar phone charger. As phones become bigger and use more apps and use more battery power, phone chargers are quickly becoming a signature staple that everyone needs to use in order to stay in contact with the matrix, the internet around them, and it's very easy to make money off of this. The fifth trending product category that you should be promoting online on Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, Instagram DMs, Telegram DMs, however you do so, is tracking devices similar to this one. Tracking devices to help folks find their lost keys or their clicker or important items around their house are becoming increasingly common as Americans and other folks have increasingly more stuff and more wealth and more items and bigger houses. Okay, these tags are very helpful for, as I said, finding your keys when you need them. And in this case, the consumer only has to pay for shipping and handling. Once again, this is a free trial, and folks only have to pay $6 for you to earn a cool $23 CPA commission on this product sale. The sixth trending product category is skincare. Now, skincare seems to never get off the list because it is always so high in demand. Folks are always looking to be beautiful, and they have been seeking to look beautiful for thousands of years. Now, I personally have made millions of dollars selling skincare products, millions of dollars in commissions recommending skincare products to folks online. And the way I would promote skincare products was through Facebook. I would post a picture, a before image of somebody who was using a skincare product I was promoting, and an after picture. For instance, I might just show two hands. One would have wrinkles on it, one wouldn't. And that would get people to click and oftentimes to buy. 1% of the people who saw my ad would end up buying. 10% of the folks would click. So this was very profitable for me, and it's a very easy sell because everyone's looking to look more beautiful. If you can't sell skincare online, then you need to get better at marketing. And if you're looking to get better at marketing, I recommend you check out the Art of Copywriting playlist that I've put together, which teaches you the core skill about marketing, which is copywriting. Copywriting is figuring out what mental triggers or what triggers make folks want to buy a product, okay? Every product's different. Some products, it really means a lot to have a doctor recommend it. Some products, it really means a lot to have a celebrity recommend it or an influencer. Some products, none of that matters. It just matters how much it costs or what the guarantee is or the refund policy or what real consumers say about the product. Again, learning copywriting allows you to learn how people decide on buying things and how to convince folks to purchase things. Skincare is a great niche. This product, which is called Bella, is an LED face mask where folks don't even really have to do much. They just sit there with this kind of weird looking, it looks kind of like that guy from V for Vendetta, Guy Fawkes. And he has that weird mask, and that's what this looks like, and it has LED. And folks like new and novel things, especially with skincare. And this is a reason why this particular product is selling so well. Folks, again, they'll buy many skincare products, and they always like trying out new things, the folks who do buy skincare products. And quite a few people have skincare products. Do you have skincare products to make your skin more beautiful in your house or your apartment? Let me know in the comments below. I know I don't really even use skincare products, and somehow I have like lotions, and people buy me all these beard gifts for my skin on my beard. But what's great about having a beard is that you don't really see it, but I have a baby face underneath because my beard's been protecting my skin for the last 10 years now. This is actually true. So if I ever shave off my beard, I will look like a baby. The final trending category that we have for the Christmas season is massage devices. These kind of massage guns that you plug in and they just kind of massage a different part of your body. I've used these because I have neck problems and I have shoulder problems from working on the computer too much. And unfortunately, neck and shoulder problems are becoming increasingly common as human beings are increasingly being sucked into computers for work and what have you. You get what's called military neck, where your shoulders are shrugged up and your face is facing forward. This causes a lot of problems, and massage guns are a really good solution to this. For this product, which is very innovative, you can earn a $90 CPA through the Affiliati affiliate network. Fantastic product to promote. Now, if I were to give you my recommendation of what product you should promote for this holiday season, if you were to choose one category, it would be all of them. The way I do marketing is I do paid advertising because I am impatient and I don't like to wait for money. Now, in my case, I've made my living and I've made over $20 million by putting up ads, and when I spend $100 advertising a product to folks, I will make back $200 or $300. And if I don't, I get rid of the advertisement. And if I do make more money than I spend in ads, I increase that so that I'm spending, let's say, $100 and making $200 in profit to a frequency of every 5 minutes or so. It works very well, and there's a lot of people, and once you create a good marketing campaign, you can make a lot of money. The way I would advertise during Christmas is I use listicles. Listicles are when you have a list of items. An example is this website I'm gonna throw up right here. Now, as you see by this website, this is another website that's being advertised by an affiliate marketer. And it talks about 20 discounts and special benefits seniors are entitled to claim but often forget. This is very good because this gives you a chance to sell 20 different products, and it comes across as a beneficial news article that is there to help you. And again, It's discounts. So there's nothing for sale here. They're just letting you know about things that have discounted products. Well, wait. Actually, every one of these links is for a different affiliate offer. And I would do something like that for this Christmas. The type of article you want, or the type of listicle you want, is something like 7 great gift ideas for the Christmas season. 7 great white elephant ideas for this Christmas, okay? Something that comes across very kind of clickbaity, that folks would want to click on, and it gives you the opportunity to sell all 7 different items. This will help you maximize your commissions so that when folks click on it, even if they do not like the CBD gift idea, they may like the fitness watch or one of these, and you can have a chance to earn your commission back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to always like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions about this. The tactics I went over work, and you're gonna see a lot of these types of advertisements and a lot of these products being promoted on your social media and just in the advertising on the internet over this Christmas season. You're getting a chance to capitalize on this right now, but if you don't know what to do, or if there's questions you have about how to take any of these actions, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. I have lots of videos. I have hundreds of videos that go over how to do marketing online, and I really encourage you to look through my archive of videos on this channel, because I've gone over almost every single marketing topic and question that's ever been presented to me, and I'm happy to share links to where you can find those videos. If you enjoy this too, give me a big hoorah, because we're gonna make some money this Christmas season. Let's put a few $100,000 in the bank right now. Let's go. Have a good day. And as always, if you want to work a little closer with me, you can sign up for my software, which is free and allows you to earn money from recommending online advertising in your local area to local business owners. You have to talk to people. And if you don't want to talk to anybody, I encourage you to take my training course called the Super Affiliate System, which will teach you how to actually create an affiliate marketing business the way I did. There's a free training that shows you how my system works, and you can sign up for that. That's the #1 income method link, and it's on fire. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.